She's going to?
Marion County.
Laura Flores was a daycare worker for years until one day she wasn't. I'll go through the terrible reasons why.
So don't speak, okay? I just want to let you know, okay, that we watched the video, okay?
Oh, she slapped another kid. What the? Oh!
I'm Angenette Levy, and this is Crime Fix. When you drop your kids off at daycare, you expect snacks, nap time, maybe some finger painting. You do not expect bruises on their faces, scratches that weren't there that morning, and a teacher who blames a piano. But that is exactly what the Marion County Sheriff's Office says happened at the Bright Beginnings Learning Center in Summerfield, Florida. According to the arrest report, this woman, Laura Flores, had a classroom full of 13-month-olds. She had been there for 4 years. Her own child was in that same classroom. But on February 11th, 2026, that arrest report claims a parent noticed bruises on their child's face, marks that were not there that morning. Detectives say the teacher's explanation was the child fell off of a piano. But the daycare had cameras, and when the director reviewed the footage, the detective said the piano story simply fell apart. Instead, the sheriff's office says the surveillance video, which they released to Fox 35 in Orlando, showed something much, much worse. Fair warning, this is really hard to watch. Flores is seen here in this surveillance footage. According to detectives, what the surveillance video shows is really disturbing. A child is picked up, but not gently. Detectives said another child was hit and then hit again. And there's even more on that video to get into. Flores was charged with 3 counts of child abuse.
And the conduct, both of us watched the video, the conduct of what we saw at that daycare, just like that one day, was beyond appalling, okay?
This is body camera footage that we obtained from the Marion County Sheriff's Office. What you just heard was an officer telling Laura Flores exactly what they saw on the surveillance video, and we're going to show you what he was watching. Deputies arrived at the daycare after receiving a call from the Department of Children and Families regarding an injured child. The report states, upon reviewing the video surveillance from 2/11/2026, the suspect could be seen picking him up and carrying him by one arm. She is later observed kicking victim to the side as she walks past him, once causing the victim to fall on his face. When the children were put down for nap time, the suspect appears to slap the victim and even rest her foot on top of him in an apparent attempt to keep him from moving. She also aggressively jerks him up and shoves him back onto the mat several times. Now, this is really concerning, to say the very least. So detectives from the sheriff's office went to investigate.
Hi, good, how are you? Thank you.
I'm Sylvia with license.
Nice to meet you. Hi. 6902.
Okay, Miss Amy, this is Mr. Keel, Mr. Wade, and our officer
Tori Hammond.
Tori, and this is Officer Hammond. Tori. You guys want to go into a conference?
Yeah, let's check out the video first.
And just to let you know, the owner is on the phone also.
Okay,
Pass
hello.
it along.
I'm not sure who wants to watch the video first.
Let's go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, you can. Will it get a bigger?
Oh, that would be fantastic.
Yeah, can you put
To
it
4
on?
people, 10.99.
I might have to be off the call,
Good.
but
26, and I'll be 10:17.
no. If not, it's fine. Yeah. I think the only way I could do is if I'm on my computer and then okay. Hold on. I'm gonna. Okay.
Cause I have to, oh, you sent it to me already.
Yes.
That's
yeah,
right,
absolutely. You can hold the phone.
Thank you.
Oh, trying to find the piano, but
So, Miss Sylvia, it came to light that the piano accident never happened.
yeah, because I took a picture of the little small piano. He wouldn't have hurt his face off of that one.
No.
Is that a fan there? Is that
That's Shorty
him?
right there.
Where she covering him up with a blanket or something?
She was swaddling him.
Oh, I swaddled him. Okay.
Swaddling?
Yeah, he would sleep better if he was swaddled.
And where is she now?
She's been put on administrative leave
Okay.
the moment we found out.
Did she make any statements to you guys about it?
Yeah, she came clean. She actually was the one that told us what happened.
Okay. What did she say?
That she forcefully put the child on the mat during nap time.
And then, who's this, Miss Flores? You have a statement from her?
No, I don't. I have like a timeline of everything that happened. So I guess yes, there is a statement because it tells you here what she told me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's.
Make a copy of that.
I also have it on
Yes,
email.
please.
I also have it in email, so I don't know what
If
works
I could get
better.
a physical copy.
Physical
that would
copy,
be great.
absolutely.
3 copies and also give Mr.
Daphne, you're here.
Another copy of this
you're
right
fine.
here for Mr. Wade.
Okay, let me have
Hey, go ahead.
Yeah, we sent her home the minute that we
Okay.
found out. So
What is it?
the situation.
7-6. Okay. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Bye.
The detectives have watched the video.
And the little piano, when I came in, it was sitting up in the shelf. So
I did want you guys to know as well. This is a brand new parent. Like this was like the second or third day. So we don't have a rapport. We don't have a rapport with mom.
Okay.
And this is, I don't have any write-ups for Miss Flores. I don't have, it's definitely out of character.
Okay. How long has she been employed here?
4 years.
She has her own child in the classroom as well.
is it her child still here?
No.
The director explains how all of this unraveled and what happened when Flores realized they were calling DCF.
And then what's your job title?
I'm the director.
So who initially interviewed
Which
the employee?
I did.
Okay. Perfect. And when was that?
Yesterday morning at 8:35.
Yeah, so we weren't aware of the incident. So it didn't happen yesterday. It happened the day before.
Okay.
And from our knowledge, Miss Flores, Laura, she had told us that he fell off of the piano that was in the classroom, and that was the accident report that was written up. The mother then, basically, when the sister picked up the child from the daycare, they noticed the bruises on him and whatnot, and I believe they took him to the hospital to get checked out, and that's when it was told that the bruises don't align with the fall, you know? And so when mom came in the morning time and had a meeting with Miss Amy, which is when we found out, you know, and she told us all of her reasonings were completely valid. Like when she's like, it just doesn't make sense. It didn't make sense to us either. So we're like, okay, we'll review the footage. We'll see what's going on. And initially, we were looking for the fall off of the piano. That is what when we were looking for the incident, we were trying to find out. So when Miss Laura showed up for work yesterday, she walked into the room with Miss Amy, and she was like, you know, what are you doing? And she's like, looking for this fall. And Amy could not find it on the camera. And then it was like, Miss Laura was like, well, what if you don't find it? And you know, Amy's like, well, it has to be on here. Like, if it
Right.
happened, like, it's got to be in there. And then, you know, she was like, Laura, were you in the room when it happened? Were you know, and she's like, no, I wasn't. You could tell the lie was just trying to be fabricated. And then eventually, when we said, well, you know, CPS and DCF will be here and they'll have to ask you questions and whatnot, she was like, well, why do they have to ask me questions? And we're like, well, because you're the teacher, you're the lead teacher.
Right.
And then she said, I have to tell you something. And then she told Amy that she was aggressive with him on the mat.
Okay. Just so you guys are aware, I do have my sergeant is waiting on a major crimes detective to get call. So it might be a little bit more of a lengthy process today.
Now listen to what the director reveals next.
We kind of have a timeline of before Miss Laura told us what happened. We had a bit of a timeline because the mom showed us a picture at 11 a.m. that through Class Dojo that was sent, and in that photo you can tell that the baby does not have any bruises.
Okay.
So that anything that happened after that 11 a.m. mark.
Oh, he's so cute.
Okay. And that's at what time?
11 something.
She showed.
11 a.m. No bruises. That's through Class Dojo. Okay. And when do you see the bruises come in?
11:29.
The bruises at 11:29?
No.
Or the Class
That
Dojo
class
at
dojo's at
11:29?
11:29.
Right, through class dojo.
Right.
Yeah.
Mom showed me yesterday, so it's the same thing.
Okay.
And then
What time is nap time?
12 to 2:15.
So it was the day before yesterday. So yesterday was 12. So the
11.
11. Okay, thank you.
Nap time is 12 to 2:15.
time nothing.
12 to 2:15.
Did she ever give a reason why she was putting him down forcefully?
You always can use it. Was he crying or anything that day? Was he?
Yeah, he was fussy. I think.
But he's a new baby here. He
was a
started
baby.
on
He
2/9.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
he
wow.
started 2/9. So
Guys,
he's
go with Miss Laura. Miss Kathy. Miss Kathy's gonna do something with you guys. She's.
so it's only 2 days. He been on here 2 days.
Yeah.
So is he have a right to be fussy?
Do we have any info on Miss Flores?
Yeah, I have her file.
Is it all in here?
No,
give us
I
a
have
file.
to get it.
Give us a 5131. You know what that form I'm talking about? Background screening and personnel requirement form.
It's your office. We're calling out foreign numbers.
Yeah, we got to go by forms.
I'm this country.
Miss Jazz, has she had any incidents like this before?
No, Laura has been. It's all very surprising and overwhelming and all of it because you obviously know how we are. But Laura's been employed with us for about 4 years now. She had a baby. She went on maternity leave, and then she was open-armed welcome back because of how loved she is. So it's not like her. This is not. And when for me, she was talking to Miss Amy, and she said that she was overwhelmed, and to me that's not an excuse. There's so many, and I'm just like, the kid has been in our care for 2 days. It's not her first rodeo. She knows that any child that's new has a transition time, and it was very caught off guard, very shocking, and obviously we've never dealt with this before, so we wanted to make sure that we were taking all the right avenues. We instantly reported it, and it's sad because we consider her family, but she made a choice, and whatever consequences follow have to follow. So
Yeah.
You want that one and this one?
Yeah, that one, just a top copy. Don't use up all your ink. Just a top copy, and put her phone number on there. An address? You want her address too? Her phone number and address on here.
But the surveillance doesn't stop there.
She grabs her real aggressively, like being like this, picked them up. It's like doing it in the corner right here.
Thank you. Because I thought he was still up underneath the table.
That's why I said,
One there.
Okay.
she put him down real, like,
She took him from over there and put him over here.
Do you want to slow it down and go back?
you can move that line. That's
Okay, there he is there.
In the brown.
Okay, now she might do. And she walked over him. She's drinking something. I don't know, was anything in the mug? He's crawling back over there with picks him up. She's swinging him around.
see, that was like a little force.
What time is that?
10:02.
10:02.
Do you want me to go faster now?
Yeah, that's fine. Sorry.
Back up underneath the table. But you see, he's underneath the table. I'm surprised she haven't hit him yet with her feet or anything. And then who knows? You can't hardly tell anyway.
Oh Lord, you saw that? You pick-
I
She picked him up by one arm.
another child.
The same kid. Go back. She picked him up by one arm and put him right back over there in that corner. Watch. She could have picked him up by one arm. Nope.
Okay, that's
That's it.
there.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see it?
She grabs him by one arm.
One
By
arm,
one arm.
right? The right arm.
What time was it?
What's
What
up?
time was that?
Then they see something else on the same child.
Cabinet open. He right behind her. I guarantee she's gonna pick him up again. She kicked him. Saw it?
Boy, you got some good eyes in here.
Just a little bit. Go back a little bit. But she stand right there. Stay right there. She kicked him. Watch her kick him. He's gonna go right here. He's gonna sit down. He's gonna sit down. She gonna step over him. Watch her hand. Bam!
Twice.
You seen it? Well, she kicked him.
Kick the boy.
Yeah,
The baby.
kick the baby. Stay right there. She gonna step over him. See?
Oh,
Yeah.
she did take him.
Told you. Look. Told you.
That's the mark on the leg. Remember
And
the
that's
mark on the
10,
leg?
12
Kicked
also.
him twice.
That
She
was
like,
probably.
kicked him twice.
He had a mark on his leg that they didn't know where it came from.
She kicked him?
Twice.
Yeah.
Twice.
Now, here is where the viewing shifts because what they're watching, they'll soon learn, isn't just one child, it's three. One, a boy who, according to the deputies, was sitting in the playroom when the suspect slapped the victim in the back of the head and then walked away with him while holding him from one arm. Here is that surveillance video again, where Flores is accused of picking up a child and carrying him by one arm. Shortly after, deputies say she kicks the little boy to the side, causing him to fall on his face. Then, when the children are put down for a nap, detectives say Flores slaps the child, then puts her foot on top of him to keep him from moving. Another, a girl who deputies say Flores was observed slapping in the stomach and jerking her up off the mat after she continued to move around during nap time. Listen to what happens when the staff realize there's more than one child involved here.
Sylvia, I would have said the same thing, but that's when we thought that it was the worst. So
Yeah.
we didn't even review.
Yeah, you always have to view these cameras when it's an incident and review it from the beginning to the end.
When she came clean about doing what she did at nap time, and then we obviously had that picture at 11, that's what we went with, you know? So I would never imagine that she could be capable of something like this.
She's doing a whole lot of stuff for this kid.
It breaks my heart. Literally, I'm in tears at my house because it's sad.
Oh, she slapped another kid. What the? Oh! Oh, man.
What's the name of this
What's the
child?
name of that kid?
Wearing yellow pants and a white shirt.
Oh,
Yellow pants and a red shirt.
oh,
Red, white.
Oh, man. But it was like, she rolled that back. She just kicked him and rolled him over to that back, to the back. She just did that. That's to say, move out the way.
that was the same little, yeah.
She just kicked, like did a back kick to move him out the way, and he rolled over on his stomach.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Just did it.
Yeah, but Shorty's gone.
See, she see him crying. She see him crying. She looking right at him. See?
Do she know cameras in
Who's she
here?
talking to?
I just asked this lady that, so sitting right here. Does this lady know there's cameras in there? I would assume everybody knows.
Jazz, do all your teachers know cameras in here?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
She pulled him by the hair.
She pulled him by the hair.
Oh! Look at this. She holding him down. She holding him down. Look at this.
You might need to back that up, Miss Tori. If you,
Oh!
Miss Tori.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, Miss Tori.
Damn. The hell are you
Jazz.
What the hell are you doing?
I backed it up for a whole minute.
This is not good. Y'all need to look
See
at
what
this
she
whole
just
video.
like did her hair like I'm fed up.
And this at, we backed it up to 10:31.
Watch this. No. Watch this.
My heart.
She held this dude down by his hair. She yanked his head.
Oh, the same one? It's about a minute and a half.
The same boy.
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
boy.
Sylvia, what are our next steps? What do we do?
Well, it's up to I know you. This gonna put you what we call a class 1 as and I don't know what the charges or anything like that's gonna be. But you're gonna have to work with the parents more so in the offices, because our situation is not gonna be as severe as what the deputies and things gonna occur.
Miss Jasmine, so my major crimes detective is on the way. We have another major crimes detective, and they're gonna take over from here.
Okay. I mean, I fully expect Laura to be arrested, as she should.
That timeline that you given us, does it have any of this on there?
No. Wow.
Because that timeline is based off my, like, how I found out, how everything went about, what I know.
Oh, it's not from the video.
Yeah,
No, it's from what she told
we're
me.
all finding, well, even from what I know from the parent, the conversation with the parent, we're all finding this out together.
Oh, wow. So you had no.
I have no idea. We're all finding out together, even the owner.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the only thing I was aware of is the first video of the nap 10 where she was aggressively putting him down.
Because she advised that was...
And that's what we looked for.
Okay.
So, well, technically I was looking for the piano thing.
Right.
Which I didn't find.
A few days later, the deputies catch up with Flores.
Which one she's going to?
Marion County.
Good Damien, are you okay?
Dance together like a praying. I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm talking to my
Oh, okay, gotcha.
And then back there, my husband is the judge over it. Bye, puppy. Oh, wait, can you give her my car keys? Yeah, yeah.
In here.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
I'll go. My marked car. Do you have anything else in your pockets?
No, ma'am, but can you double check for me?
Yeah. Right here.
Just a second. So here's my deal, okay? Obviously, you're trying not to talk to us, okay? So don't speak, okay? I just want to let you know, okay, that we watched a video, okay, and the conduct, both of us watched the video. The conduct of what we saw at that daycare, just like that one day, was beyond appalling, okay? It could have seriously hurt some kids, okay? I want you to take this time to reflect, okay? Because I think DCF is concerned about your own kid, okay?
I know, my attorney told me that.
Yes.
But I don't do it to my kids, I just had to... No,
Yeah, don't give a statement, okay?
No.
I just want you to be aware, okay? That everybody was very upset, okay? Everybody seemed to like you, okay? But whatever happened that day, okay, you just gotta watch yourself, okay? Okay, thank you. That's all I had to say.
Yep. I know you put your phone in your pocket, and I'm going to take it for the ride.
There's nothing in the world, okay? You're not getting hit with, like, crazy stuff, okay?
I'm just scared for my kids, that's it.
Fine.
But,
Okay. I'll watch your left foot. Keep on that alcohol.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. That would have been catastrophic. Do you have a bra on right now?
okay.
Is it underwire?
I don't think so.
No. Okay. So we gotta get this one for a second.
Laura Flores was booked into the Marion County Jail on 3 felony counts of child abuse. She posted bail. The daycare center released a statement saying that Flores is no longer employed at that facility. When concerns were identified, we immediately reported the matter to the appropriate authorities and fully cooperated with the Department of Children and Families and the Marion County Sheriff's Office. The safety and well-being of the children in our care is the highest priority. Laura Flores will be back in court in June for a pretrial hearing, And that's it for this episode of Crime Fix. I'm Angenette Levy. Thanks so much for being with me. I'll see you back here next time.